Want to clone yourself or somebody else? In this video, I'm going to show you how using this software you can clone yourself or others, and it's real simple. So let's jump right in. Okay, now this is Galaxy.ai, and you can do almost anything AI generated with Galaxy AI. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload a photo, and we're going to make that photo talk using your voice. So here's how you do it. Galaxy AI on the left here, all you do is come down here to AI talking photo. So let's find talking photo. There it is right there. We'll just click that and upload a file, or you can choose from a library if you want to clone somebody else. They have celebrities here, they have avatars, pretty much anything you want to clone you can choose right here. See the avatars, almost 5,000 avatars, pictures of people. You can create video courses, you can do almost anything right here using these avatars, or you can choose from 28 celebrities: Donald Trump, Ted Cruz, Will Smith, Justin Bieber, Snoop Dogg, Joe Rogan. They're listed right here. That's kind of scary right there. But I'm going to use my photo of yourself, and I'll just choose one from this device right here. And let me see if there's one in front of the boat. So let's choose that one right there. And we're going to click done. And there's the photo. Now, model, always use Hedra because you can make more than 1 minute video. You can use these others if you like. Some are limited in time, but I'm going to use Hedra. And voice settings. Okay, here's where we're going to clone our voice. You can see these voice settings. There's thousands of voices here. Joe Biden, oh my God. So, voice library at 1,307 voices available. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go right over here to voice clone. And see, I've already cloned my voice, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So, voice name, let's put in your name. I'll just put Chris 2. You can upload an MP3 if you've already done it, or you can do it yourself. So what I did was, and you can see 15 to 60 seconds recommended. I went over to ChatGPT and said 30-second funny voice cloning script. Here it is right here. Okay, so let me come over here and click start recording, and then I'm going to go back over there and I'm going to read that. Okay, let's start recording. Okay, so apparently AI can clone my voice now, which is awesome and mildly concerning. Like, imagine my voice reminding me to drink water in my own voice. Hey, future me, hydrate your lazy self. And the wild part, the AI doesn't copy how I talk. It copies my tone, my sarcasm, even that little dramatic pause I do right here. Honestly, if this keeps improving, I might just let my AI version handle all my phone calls. At least that version won't panic when someone says, can I put you on hold? Okay, so now let's go back over and stop the recording. And we're going to click stop. Here is the preview. And let's put create voice. And this will consume 1 million credits, no problem. You get like, Galaxy AI is like $15 a month. You get like 20 million credits per month. And it's creating the voice. Voice cloning started. This may take a few minutes. So I'm going to pause the video, and I'll be right back when this finishes. Okay, I'm back. That took about a minute. And you can see voice selection, voice clone, Chris 2, and there's our voice right there. Okay, so let's go back and let's click on voice settings, and I forgot to click my voice. Give that 1 second. I've got a lot of windows open here, so it's moving kind of slow. Okay, we'll go to voice clone. There we go. Loading your voices, and I'm going to just click this one, Chris 2. Okay, clone voice. You can see it right there. Now, I want to enter text to speak. So let's come right over here. I'm going to just copy this text right here that AI Chat GPT created. So I'm going to just paste it right there. And then let's scroll down here. You can see audio options. All we have to do at this point, let's generate audio first. And then we'll click generate, and it'll generate the talking photo of what we just cloned, what we just copied, that text, using our photo. Okay, you see audio is ready. There's the audio. All right, now let's generate, and it'll take a minute or two, and it'll generate talking photo. You can see I've done some of those. Matter of fact, I created a video course using this same process right here. Processing, you can see it right here, and takes about a minute or two. I'm going to pause and I'll be right back. Okay, the video is finished processing. It took about 5 minutes, and here's the generated video. So let's listen in. Okay, so apparently AI can clone my voice now, which is awesome and mildly concerning. Okay, there you have it. Saved to the device, and your cloned AI voice has been done using Galaxy AI. Don't forget to subscribe. You can click the link below if you want to try out Galaxy.ai. The pro version, like I said, let's take a look. It's $14.99 a month, and they do have a small affiliate program, so I will get some type of credit for that. But that's how you clone yourself with AI. Till next time, bye for now.